Good morning students, welcome to Blue Stars Higher Secondary School online class 8, subject physical science. Students, already I was finished 2 lessons, chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastics and chapter 4 materials, metals and non-metals. Next we will discuss about or talk about chapter 5 coal and petroleum. Introductions about these lessons. Introductions. Coal and petroleum are formed as a result of degradation of ancient plant life which lived millions of years ago. Heat and pressure from geological process transformed these materials into coal. So this is the objectives. Objectives means what you will learn the lessons. Define natural resources and its types. Describe coal and petroleum and their uses. Next, describe the natural gas. Students, this is the mind map. So write it in your classwork. Okay. Resources, natural resources and man-made resources. The natural resources are inexhaustible resources and man-made resources are exhaustible resources. The exhaustible resources are example coal, petroleum and natural gas. Subtopics: introduction, petroleum, natural gas, natural resources or limited. Next, D words students. So D words: natural resources, inexhaustible natural resources, exhaustible natural resources, coal, fossil fuel, coal tar, petroleum, paraffin wax, lubricating oil, compressed natural gas. Okay, so the next, introduction about coal and petroleum. This lesson's topics covered by first one is the introduction. Second one is the natural resources. The natural resources are two types. First one is the exhaustible. Exhaustible resources. Second one is the inexhaustible resources. Third one is the coal. Fourth one is the petroleum. Fifth one is the natural gas. Students, these are the topics covered by this lessons. Introduction, natural resources. Natural resources are two types: exhaustible natural resources and inexhaustible natural resources, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Coal, petroleum and natural gas. Next, what is mean by coal? Coal is a black rock-like combustible substances. Combustible na eriyakuriya porul. Coal is a black rock-like combustible substances found below the earth surface. Enga presence aayirukkum? Found below the earth surface. It is partially decayed. It is formed from partially decayed. So it is partially decayed and matter that heat. So coal is a black rock-like combustible substances found below the earth's surface. It is formed from partially decayed and matter that heat. That is the coal. Next one is the petroleum. What is petroleum? petroleum. It is a flammable liquid. It is a flammable. It is a flammable liquid which is a mixture of complex carbon. Which is a mixture of complex hydrocarbon. It is a mixture of complex hydrocarbon. The petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbon. என்ன presence ஆயிருக்குன்னா petroleum hydrocarbon and other organic compounds and other organic compounds. It is formed below the earth surface. Petroleum enga presence ஆயிருக்கும்? It is formed below the earth surface. It is formed below the earth surface. It is also a fossil fuel. Petroleum is also called a fossil fuel. Fossil fuel, that is a natural sources. It is formed when large quantities of dead organisms. It is formed from large quantities of dead organism. Large quantities of dead organism. So petroleum is a flammable liquid which is a mixture of complex hydrocarbon and other organic compounds. It is formed below the earth surface. Enga form agum earth surface. It is also a fossil fuel. Petroleum is also called a fossil fuel and is formed when large quantities of dead organisms. Enga adu adhigama fogum appadina dead organisms. Okay, coal students, I have detailed explanations in coal and petroleum next class. Next we will see next videos on natural resources. What are the types of natural resources and coal and petroleum. Okay students, I have attached one PDF file for this videos. Okay, thank you students.